So here we have to find the value of x, and it is given that L is parallel to M. This symbol means parallel to M. So here you can see this is line L, M, and this is T, which is intersecting these two lines L and M. L and M are parallel to each other. So it is given in the question. Now to find out this missing angle x, what we will do? Whenever two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal line, then either the corresponding angles are equal, or the alternate angles are equal, or else you can use sum of the interior angles on the same side will be 180 degree. These two are not equal, but sum of these two will be 180 degrees. So you can use any of these three to find out this value of x. So here in this question, we can do it with any of these methods. So here you can see this angle is 110. So this angle will be also 110, vertically opposite angle. Now you can take 110 plus x will be equals to 180 degree. And why it is 180 degree? Because sum of interior angles on the same side is 180 degree. So now here we have this equation. So from here you can find out the value of x. So x will be 180 degree minus 110. So that will be 70 degree. So your x will be 70 degree. Now you can also find out with some other way. This is the second method. Now here this angle is 110. You can find out this angle. Both these are making linear pair. When the two adjacent angles lie in the straight line, they forms supplementary angle, or they form a linear pair. So sum of these two will be, let it y. So you know that 110 plus y will be equals to 180 degree. Why? This is the linear pair. Now to solve the sum, you can use any of the method. Either you can use this one or the other one which I am going to do. So here y will be 180 minus 110, but the answer will be same in any of the two process. So y is 70 degree. Now your y will be equals to x. Why? Because these two are corresponding angle. And just in the beginning you can give that given L is parallel to M. Since L is parallel to M, therefore all this will be equal. Now you can see in both the process the value of x will come out 70 degree. So you can use any of these two process. Now let's see some other angles. So here L, again the question is same. L is parallel to M and you have to find out the value of x. So now you can see these two angles here, this is x and this is also x. You have to find out x. So these two angles are which type of angles? These two both angles are interior angles on the same side. So since it is given that L is parallel to M, so what you can say about these two angles? Sum of these two will be 180 degree. And why it is 180 degree? Because the sum of interior angle on the same side is 180 degree. Or you can also say that some of the interior angles on the same sides are supplementary. So you can say, so here 3x will be equals to 180 degree, or the value of x will be 180 degree divided by 3. So that will be 60 degrees. So your x will be 60 degrees. Now let's see another sum. So here again L is parallel to M, and here this A and B are given. So here we have to find out again the missing value of x. So now you can see these two angles are which angles? If L is parallel to M, so then you can say that these two angles will be equal. Why these are equal? Because these two are corresponding angle. So if L is parallel to M, so x will be equals to 100 degrees. because both are corresponding angles. So this is the next question. In the given figure, the arms of the two angles are parallel. So arms of the two angles are parallel. So here this is the first arm, this is the arm 1, and this is the arm of the other angle. So these two are parallel, and the other pair is also parallel. So this one and this one, these two will be also parallel. Now in this question you have to find out angle DGC and also DEF. So where is DGC? DGC. So this is your DGC, and DEF is this angle. So we have to find out these two angles. So first we will find out our DGC. So you can see this angle DGC will be equals to this angle. Why? Both these are corresponding angles. So you can write, if AB is parallel to DG, then angle DGC will be equals to angle ABG, and that will be equals to 70 degree. Why the 70 degree? Corresponding angles. Now the next one, we have to find out this angle DEF. DEF means we have to find this angle DEF as well. This angle also we have to find out. Now you can see this angle and this angle both will be equal. So these two will be equal. Why? Because these two are again corresponding angle. So you can say if BC is parallel to EF, which is given already, so you can say that DGC will be equals to angle DEF. Both will be equal because both are again corresponding, and that will be 70 degree because this angle we have found already in the previous. So these two angles will be again 70 degree, and the reason will be same, both are corresponding angles. Now here this is the next question. We have to decide if L is parallel to M or not. So in the previous sums it was given that the two lines are parallel, then you have to find the missing terms, but here in this question you have to decide whether the line L and M are parallel or not. So to check whether the two lines are parallel or not, you can, if you can say that the corresponding angles are equal, alternate angles are equal, or the sum of the angles on the same side are equal, then the two lines will be parallel. So with these, any of these, you can prove that the lines are parallel. If the angles are not equal, then you can say that it is not parallel. So let's see the first part, this one. So here you can see this angle and this angle, both the angles are on the same side. These two are interior angles and on the same side. So you can check the sum of these two. So it is 126 plus 44. So the sum of this will be 170 degree, okay, which is not equals to 180 degree. So PL is not parallel to M. So L is not parallel to M. So this one is not parallel. Now see the next one, the second part, this one. So here again we can use the same thing. This angle is 75. So again these two angles will be equal, vertically opposite angle. These two are vertically opposite angle. So again we can check the sum of these two. So 75 plus 75 is it is how much? 150 degree. And again 150 degree is not equals to 180 degree. So here also L is not parallel to M. So here also these two lines are not parallel. Now let's check the third part. So in the third part, this angle is 57 and this angle is given 123. Okay. So now in this question, first we will find out this angle. We can find out this angle because L is a line and these two angles are adjacent angles. So sum of these two will be how much? 180 degree. X plus 57 equals to 180 degree. Why? because they are making a linear pair. So your x will come 180 minus 57. So your x will be 123. So now this angle came 123. Now I can see this angle and this angle both are coming same. And which are these angles? Corresponding angles. So if the corresponding angles are equal, then L will be parallel to M. So here you can write corresponding angles are equal. So L will be parallel to M.